To access your Banco Sabadell credit card, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have your credit card details and personal identification ready. You will need your credit card number, expiration date, and security code, as well as your name and date of birth. Next, go to the Banco Sabadell website and click on the online banking section. Here, you will need to register for an account if you have not already done so. This will require your credit card details and personal identification. Once you have registered, you can log into your account using your username and password. From here, you can view your credit card balance, transactions, and payment due dates. You can also make payments, check your rewards balance, and manage your account settings. Alternatively, you can access your credit card information through the Banco Sabadell mobile app. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be downloaded from the App Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you can log in using your online banking credentials and access your credit card account. It is also possible to access your credit card information by contacting the Banco Sabadell customer service team. They are available to help with any questions or issues you may have and can provide you with information about your account. To keep your credit card account secure, it is essential to keep your login credentials and credit card details safe. Avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account, and always log out when you have finished using the online banking system or mobile app. By following these steps, you can easily access your Banco Sabadell credit card and manage your account online or through the mobile app. Remember to always keep your account information secure and contact the customer service team if you have any questions or concerns.